you're new here, my name is Cheri. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I was not planning on filming today, and literally like 10 minutes ago there was a knock at the door and my Bibbidi Bobbidi box is here. It's actually really early this month. Today is Monday, September 28th, I think. I guess it's not that early, but I really wasn't expecting this yet. So here is the box. I get the fantasy box. It is $59 plus shipping. And this month the box was like, I'll call it saran wrapped, not really, but it was like wrapped in plastic, see-through plastic. But my box did take a little bit of a hit. I don't know if you can see that. It was definitely smushed, but I honestly could not wait to open this box. So here I am filming it, and let's dive right in. Okay, so this is what you see when you open the box, and it is Daisy Duck Maleficent. It says, happy spooky season and happy fall. Just because I cannot see it doesn't mean I cannot believe it. And then tag Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. I feel like I got this same one last month. Maybe not, but I think that I did. And there's like a little bit of glitter on there. And then here is, let's see, the packing slip. I'm not gonna look. It has Minnie and Mickey ready for Thanksgiving, which is adorable. And then there's this little note, and it says, a quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. So that is a setting that I have marked because I would rather have quality over quantity. So then the paper this month is orange for Thanksgiving, a beautiful little sticker. And of course there's confetti, which I think is adorable, and my cat like eats it, so it's kind of annoying. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, I think I got clothing. Oh, what did I get? I got a Spirit jersey. Okay, and this stuff my cat loves. Oh my goodness, isn't this cute? So I got a Walt Disney World Spirit jersey. It is pink tie-dye, and then this is like rose gold. This is rose gold. The size is medium. Spirit jerseys do run a little bit large. I like the medium because I feel like the sleeve length works nicely for me. It is a little bit oversized, but it's not like swimming on me. So this is super, super cute. I'm thrilled with it. It says it is a Disney Parks exclusive, of course. Yeah, pink is my favorite color, which I did put in my preferences, and I do love rose gold, so I'm super excited about this. I live in Michigan, and there's a lot of transitional months, so like long sleeve kind of thinner things like this that I can layer, I wear constantly, so I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this, and I'm super excited. And then there's one more item, and it is this. It says mouse-shaped balloon soap, Wonderland Magic Bath Company. Isn't that adorable? It is just a little peach Mickey shaped hand soap. I don't know. Let me see if I can. It doesn't really smell like anything. It may smell. Let me open it up and see. Oh, it does. It does smell. It kind of smells, it has a little bit of a cinnamony smell to it. It smells really good though. It's kind of like a fresh cinnamon, if that makes sense, but that is super cute. It'll look awesome in my guest bathroom. So I did only receive the 2 items this month, but I am thrilled with them. I really enjoy the Spirit jersey. It's really cute. So let's look at the spoiler. So it says that the Disney Parks exclusive Spirit jersey rose gold was $64.99, and the Wonderland Magic Bath soap was $7.95 for a total retail value of $72.94. So I definitely got my money's worth on it, really just for the Spirit jersey. Being that I only paid $59 for the box plus shipping, like $68 something, I definitely got my money's worth. I don't think this was a box that maybe I feel like I got the greatest value at. I do have to say though, I was just in the parks, and the Spirit jersey is not in the parks anymore, and it did come from the outlets, so which is fine. Totally fine. I still love it, but that's really, I think, where Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes like makes their profit, where their margin is. This is my third Bibbidi Bobbidi box. I will go ahead and link my other unboxings in the description box below. But I am very happy with the 2 items that I got. The spirit jersey is something that, while I didn't buy it, I've seen it in the parks before. I didn't buy it then. It is something that I definitely looked at, and I like the surprise element to it, if you will. So I would definitely wear it. So overall, I was pleased with this Bibbidi Bobbidi box. Tell me in the comments below, did you like the items that I got? Do you feel like I got my value out of it? If you filmed your own Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxing, which I know there are a lot of you on YouTube that do, go ahead and leave a link to your unboxing in the description box below. I would love to see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!